Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on TokenPocket. Changing the currency on TokenPocket is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your TokenPocket application from your app drawer. After you open up your TokenPocket wallet, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Me menu, tap on Settings. Select the currency unit option and then choose the currency you prefer from the available options. After you've picked a currency, tap on Save at the top right-hand corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to successfully change the currency displayed within TokenPocket. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks.